Some of the most basic features of atomic phenomena was not explained by Newtonian mechanics. The units of surface tension are Nm inverse 1. The angle between the vectors I plus j and j plus k is 60 degrees. Three different objects, masses m1, m2, and m3, are allowed to fall from rest and from the same point O along three different frictionless paths. The speeds of the three objects on reaching the ground will be in the ratio of 1:1:1. A body is thrown vertically up with a certain initial velocity. The potential and kinetic energies of the body are equal at a point P in its path. If the same body is thrown with double the velocity upwards, the ratio of potential and kinetic energies of the body when it crosses the same point is 1:4. A particle moves through angular displacement theta on a circular path of radius r. The linear displacement will be 2r sine theta by 2. The Celsius temperature at absolute zero is equal to minus 273 degrees centigrade. If the masses of all molecules of gas are halved and their speeds doubled, then the ratio of initial and final pressure would be 1:2. Velocity of sound in a medium is v. If the density of the medium is doubled, what will be the new velocity of sound? Answer is nu by root 2. What is the angle between the electric dipole moment and the electric field strength due to it on the axial line is equal 0 degrees. An electric dipole moment P is placed in an electric field of intensity E. The dipole acquires a position such that the axis of the dipole makes an angle theta with the direction of the field, assuming that the potential energy of the dipole to be 0. When theta is equal to 90 degrees, the torque and potential energy of the dipole will respectively be Pe sin theta minus Pe cos theta. A uniform electric field and a uniform magnetic field are produced, pointed in the same direction. An electron is projected with its velocity pointed in the same direction. The electron velocity will decrease in magnitude. A full charged capacitor C with initial charge Q0 is connected to a coil of self-inductance cell at t is equal to 0. The time at which the energy is stored equally between the electric and the magnetic field is pi by 4 root LC. Total energy of an electron in hydrogen atoms above 0 electric volts leads to ionization of the atom. A ball is dropped from height h on a plane. If the coefficient of restitution of the plane is e, and if a ball hits the ground 2 times, the height up to which it reaches after 2 jumps will be eh. The additional kinetic energy to be provided to a satellite of mass m revolving around a planet of mass m to transfer it from a circular orbit of radius r1 to another radius r2 is half gm capital M into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Sound travels faster in vacuum than in air is wrong statement. Light of frequency V falls on a material of threshold frequency V0. Maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electron is proportional to V minus V0. A radioactive decay can form an isotope of the original nucleus with the emission of particles 1 alpha and 2 beta.